Hello everyone and welcome to TechFix Flicks. In this quick fix, we pause updates in Windows 10 by up to 7 days, using a new and likely quite popular feature. As a note of caution, it remains our preference to apply updates as soon as they are available, in order to obtain the latest features, and more importantly security patches, countering online threats and vulnerabilities. We set aside specific time for updating, which we cover in our Patch Tuesday tutorial, and we remain advocates of timely updating. Of course, updating at the earliest opportunity can also carry a degree of risk, and some users may resist the urge to update immediately. The ability to pause updates was only introduced with the Windows 10 May 2019 update. To check if your machine is ready, click the Start button and type WinVer, then press Enter. From the box which appears, you'll need version 1903 or higher. If your version number is lower than 1903, and with some degree of irony, you may need to perform a quite significant feature update in order to suppress future updates. We cover updating fully in this tutorial, linked in the written description accompanying this video. Once the update is up and running, it becomes incredibly straightforward to pause updates. Click the Start button and type Pause, then press Enter. The Windows Update screen appears, and we simply click on the option to pause updates for 7 days, after which updating will be paused. We can resume updates at any time by clicking on the Resume Updates button, which will immediately trigger an update check. From the same window, we can move to our advanced options, the most notable feature here being our ability to select a specific calendar date upon which updating will resume. Be sure to check out all of our videos about the May 2019 update. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you can provide a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you'd like more, you are very welcome to subscribe to the TechFix Flicks YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is of course entirely free and provides easy access to all of the videos posted here. Clicking on the neighbouring bell icon means you will be notified whenever a new video is posted. You can also keep in touch by following the official TechFix Flicks Twitter account. Until your next TechFix, goodbye.